A man is not rewarded for having a brain, but for using it. In fact, if you have been following me for some time now, you will see how we always set our recirculating aquaculture system. We always connect one fish pond to one filtration system. And even the IBC tanks, the same way we do. But here at Accra, we have connected three different IBC tanks to one filtration center. And this is where it filters, and then the water is split and goes to all these ponds. And these ponds, as you can see, it's working efficiently. Obviously, it cuts down the cost, because if you were to install for each of them, you know how much it will have cost. But we just install it and it is running. Look at how we have done the PVC connections. This is 2-inch pipe that is for the outlet of the IBC tank. Now we have connected everything here and we had it here. Now there's a pump that pumps the water out. But if when we're using one pond for one filtration system, the pump that we have been using is always small, 20 watts or lesser, and it's always doing the work. But now this, as the pump will pump the water, when it gets here, it's split to three different places. What it means is that we now need a high voltage or strong pump that can split it, and each of them will get their own share of the water. And for that matter, instead of 20 watts or 15 watts, we're now using 45 watts. So that means that 45 watts and above can be able to split the water this way. And yes, it is working perfectly. So if you also want the same, then contact us, we'll get it installed for you.